And today I'm putting the finishing touches on this apron. I have conditioned it and fused all the loose threads. I'm going to put the American flag concho on there. One of my favorite parts to do. So I put a little bit of Loctite down into the socket area. Punch the holes where I want it to sit. Show you what's going on. So this is one of the options on our custom leather aprons to add a little bit of personality. One of my favorite parts. And this way, the Loctite's going to make sure that these screws don't back out on you. And these lay nice and flat on the back of the apron. Look how beautiful. Love it. And this one, they requested another little hole to be punched because they have a military concho that they want to add on there.